Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic, addition of fraction, page number 94. Today we will solve some addition from page number 94, and this is lesson number 4, is W number 3. Okay, dear the students, now let us start our today's class. At first we will add 2 by 4 with 2 by 4. Here two fractions and both fractions value is 2 by 4. We have to add these two fractions. Dear students, at first we will draw two figures for denoting these two fractions. Suppose this is a bread and we have divided this bread into 4 equal parts. Now out of these 4 equal parts we have taken these 2 parts. Total part 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have taken these 2 parts. That means its name will be 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Again we will take another bread which length will be equal to this bread, and we have also divided this bread into 4 equal parts, and from these 4 parts we have taken these 2 parts. If we express this figure by fraction, then it will be total part 4 and we have taken 2 parts, that means 2 by 4. Now if we add these 2 parts, here total we have taken how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we have taken total 4 parts. If we add this fraction with this fraction, then it will be 4 out of 4. That means 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4, this is equal to 4 by 4, 4 out of 4. Dear students, you are watching that 4 out of 4. This is equal to full part of the bread, and full part of the bread means 1. That means we can write 4 by 4 equal to 1. When numerator and denominators of a fraction is equal, then we can write it value is 1. If the numerator is 10 and denominators also 10, then we can write it as 1. Okay, dear the students, now we will add these two fractions without using figure. First fraction's denominator 4 and second fraction's denominator also 4. So the fraction obtained after addition, the denominators of the fractions obtained after addition also will be 4. Now we will write these two numerators, 2 and 2, and we will give addition sign between these two numerators. Now 2 plus 2 means 4. This is equal to 4 by 4. Here numerator 4 and denominators also 4. So instead of 4 by 4 we can write 1. So answer will be 1. Okay, dear the students, now We'll add 2 by 3 with 1 by 3. Here denominators of first fraction is 3 and denominators of second fraction also 3. So denominators of the fraction obtained after addition also will be 3. Now we'll write these two numerators 2 and 1. We have to give addition sign between 2 and 1. Now if we add 2 with 1, then it will be 3. That means this is equal to 3 by 3. Here also numerator and denominators is same. So that instead of 3 by 3, we can write here 1. And answer will be 1. Okay, dear students, now we'll add 2 by 8 with 5 by 8. Denominators of first fraction is 8, denominators of second fraction also 8. So denominators of the fraction after addition also will be 8. Now we'll write these two numerators 2 and 5. 2, 5, and between these two numerators we have to give addition sign. Now 2 plus 5, this is equal to 7. 7 by 8, and answer will be 7 by 8. Okay, dear students, now we'll solve 7 number. First fractions denominator 6, second fractions denominators also 6. So denominators of the fractions obtained after addition also will be 6. Now we'll write these two numerator 1 and 5. Between these two numerator we have to give addition sign, that means plus sign. Now 1 plus 5, this is equal to 6. 6 by 6, and 6 by 6 here numerator and denominator is same, so its value will be 1. So answer is 1. Now we'll solve 8 number. Same denominators, so we'll write here denominators as 5. Now we'll write these two numerator 2 and 2. Between these two numerator we'll give plus sign. Now 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 by 5. This is the answer. Answer 4 by 5. Okay, dear students, now we'll solve 10 number. Both fractions denominators 4, so here denominators also will be 4. Now 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, that means 3 by 4, and answer will be 3 by 4. Okay, dear students, now we'll solve 11 number. Here two fractions given, one fraction is 1 by 5 and second fraction is 3 by 5, and both fractions denominators here 5. So denominators of the fraction obtained after addition also will be 5. Now we'll write these two numerator 1 and 3. Between these two numerator we have to give plus sign here. Now 1 plus 3, this is equal to 4, and denominator is 5. Answer will be 4 by 5. Dear students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Our today's SW number 3. And topic of the SW is Elementary Mathematics book, page number 94, question number 4, sub number 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 12. I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. Do your SW and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.